she had puppy dog eyes, you know?
Same. We'll be right back.
You don't even know how old I am.
What are you, like 10 or something?
How did you know?
Well, they did say you were under 11, so I figured it was the next number under.
Yeah, she was at the panel.
Yeah, I was at the
Oh,
panel.
yeah.
You don't look like you're 10 though.
But I am.
I would have thought you were like 14 at least.
I have proof. Oh, my grace certificate. But it's not.
There goes Alex, being Alex.
You have no idea what I'm going to do with this. What's up, bro? She knows I got that good golf swing. I tried to learn. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I tried. Alex failed.
Woo! Alex! I want to see what they used on this. Actually.